Hi everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful day or evening whenever you happen to stumble upon this video. This is a very, very informal unboxing of this incredibly gorgeous Aurora 88 in Ebonite Cognac. I received it yesterday from Appelboom. Thank you so much to Yoast for sending this out to me. I have a special nib grind on it from Annabelle. I'll tell you all about it in the video. I was under the gun because I received this last night and I had to open it and I had dinner plans with my girlfriends. I am going to share some comparison shots of this next to my Volterra as well as my Optima. If you're an Aurora fan, I think you'll really enjoy this video, despite some of the mishaps I have when unboxing it. I am in love. I can't stop writing with it. Thanks again to Yoast. I hope you enjoy this video. How beautiful is that? Okay, we're gonna cut to last night. Enjoy. Hey everybody, I just got a package from Appelboom and I'm so excited to share this with you. I have a little bit of natural light still available, so I wanted to open this together. So I just want to start by saying I think Aurora is such an incredible pen brand. This is my Aurora Volterra. This is the Aurora 888, and this quickly became one of my top 10 pens. And I just love everything about it. I love the colorway. I love the ink window. This is a medium nib. It's a beautiful writer. I love the feel of it. It's a great size for me. I just can't say enough about this. It's a nice juicy medium nib. And so this led to the purchase of the Aurora Optima. I believe this was last chance, or this was a maybe fountain pen day special. This is in the Aurora or Auroraloid, and this is gray, and this is beautiful as well. Also a beautiful writer. I'm not a huge fan of the black finial and accents on a lot of pens, but I think it really works with this, with the gray cracked ice resin look, and this also has an ink window. So my love for Aurora continues. This pen that I'm about to open, that I'm sure you saw in the title, is the Ebonite. So it's this model. It was a Blue Monday special in the Netherlands with Appelboom, and I also had a little bit of credit, so I was able to get this. And I'm so excited to open it with you. What makes this special is that it is made from ebonite, and it is absolutely beautiful from the pictures. And also, this is my first architect nib grind. Annabelle, who works at Appelboom, did this grind for me, and I'm really excited to try it out. She also did a nib grind on my Scribo Dandy. She did a cursive smooth italic, and I absolutely love it. So I'm really excited to try out this architect nib. I may have to do the writing sample later because I have dinner plans with my girlfriends, and I just could not wait to open this. And I didn't want to open it without you. I wanted to share the excitement with you. Look at that Tasha pen. Thank you from Appelboom. Okay, you know Appelboom wraps everything. I'm gonna save these for later. You also get a Stroop waffle with all of your purchases from Appelboom. Major perk. Feels like Christmas every time I get a package from them. They do such a great job. Aurora also does such a nice job with their boxes. I almost feel like their boxes are a little wasted on me because they're so beautiful. So excited, Lumpy. Why am I nervous? Here we go. This box is substantial. The Volterra box was beautiful as well. Oh my gosh, it's like the little Russian nesting dolls. There's just a box and a box and a box. Oh, look at that. That's quite nice. The anticipation. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have some ink here. I'll have to check that out. Let's just bring this up first. Oh my gosh, look at this. That That is so beautiful. 18 karat gold, solid gold nib. Oh my goodness. It's light, it's beautiful. This is number 105 of 288. I want to compare it to the Volterra. It feels lighter than the Volterra, and that's probably the Ebonite. Really beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let's see this. Oh, there's no way I can't write with this before I go. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Look at the detail. Okay, I'm gonna actually turn the light on because I think it will be helpful. There's definitely ink in here from when Annabelle worked on it. Okay, that is much better. Wow, look at this. Oh, it's so nice. My nails are all dry. I just couldn't wait. Could not wait to open this. So this is actually called Cognac. Of course, I had to get Cognac ink to go in here. So I bought this Graphon Faber-Castell Cognac. This looks like it's going to be a beautiful ink too. We'll sample both. It's cool packaging. This is actually quite different than the Volterra packaging. I believe there is another Ebonite one, but it was more like in like gold tones. It was pretty, and I was on the fence about it. And then when this came out, I was like, oh my gosh, that's the one. And it looks like rose gold trim. Oh gosh, these are such beautiful pens. I've recently moved things around in my studio space here. So I'm just getting used to my new setup. So let's just do a quick ink swatch with each color. I'm like the queen of Q-tip swatches. That's presenting kind of light. This is on Rhodia. This is grid paper. Let's just see. And now let's see what they included. Oh, I'm making a mess. Well, that's what the Ebonite looks like. It's gonna be very dark. Hold on, I gotta go in the bathroom. Clearly, I had a fight with that bottle. Not the best designed bottle. It was like a little cup inside here, and it just made such a mess. But I really did want to see this because this might be a really nice option. Yeah, this ink looks beautiful. That's a nice brown to go with this. What do you think? That's definitely a better match. Since I just went through all of that, we might as well give it a try. And I'm so excited for this Architect nib. I am thrilled to try it. Okay, so this is a piston fill. Just gonna twist, twist, twist in the back here. And I believe she did it on a medium nib. Oh, that nib is so gorgeous. 18 karat Aurora. So with an Architect nib, it's the opposite of a cursive smooth italic. And this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's cover this. I'm just gonna copy right here what's on the box. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Gorgeous. I spelled it with an A. Look at this, okay. It's so smooth. Okay, so let's do some, so the downstrokes are thin and the side strokes are thicker. I don't know if this does anything on the reverse. That doesn't feel so great. It's scratchier. So this is within. An Architect grind. Ooh, this is so much fun. This is actually beautiful. As it's drying, it almost looks as if it has a little bit of sheen to it. I know you're getting the artificial light now, but it was getting dark here. Oh wow, this is just gorgeous. When I was trying to lift the cap off. I just lifted my entire nail off of this. I'm very sad about it. This is so nice. What was my number? 105, I believe. 105. Oh, we're gonna have fun with this. I really think that ink is just perfect. I didn't love the ink that came with the Volterra. It wasn't bad, but this is really nice. I'm gonna just write some of the details here because I wanna keep writing, and then I have to go to my favorite Mexican restaurant and get a margarita with my girlfriends. So this says, oh, this is a joy. I've never written with an architect. I know this is a silly question, but are most gold nibs solid? Because I feel like this made a point to say that it's solid gold. I don't know. And Annabelle reached out to me and had me send her several videos from the side of how I held my pen. She had me get it like from a side angle, from all different places. I sent her still frames of my wonky grip and all that stuff, and she really nailed it because this feels wonderful. Spelling that right? Cognac. Oh, in the write-up they spell it Ebonite. Wow. It is amazing. Okay, look at what a mess I made. It was worth it. I feel like I went into battle here. My Volterra is number 682 of 888. This one says made in Italy, Aurora made in Italy. And this band just says Aurora. It doesn't say made in Italy on the band. That's interesting. I should weigh them both. The Volterra is definitely lighter, heavier. The Volterra is heavier than the Ebonite. I can just give you a little sample of this up here. That's so funny. I probably have this ink in here. So it looks like the Cognac is more limited than the Volterra was because there's only 288 of these. There were 888 of these, and this is a medium nib. You know how much I love these colors, right? They're just gorgeous. I mean, it is the same model, so I expect that they'll be very similar. You're probably getting a glare. This looks even more rose gold. I don't know if it's just because they both say M on the back in plastic. It is a plastic feed. I really do prefer an ebonite feed, but this is still beautiful. It doesn't seem to impact the flow. Love an ink window. And this, I'm sure, this is 18 karat too. And this is just a normal medium. So my downstrokes are similar to my side strokes. But yeah, you can really see how this downstroke is much thinner than those side strokes. Kind of fun, huh? Okay, I'm off to eat some tacos and drink margaritas. Here's my little Aurora collection. They're so beautiful with my messy hands. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Let me know if you have any Auroras. If so, do you have a favorite model? I think I favor the 88 over the Optima. But I do enjoy this Optima. This is super juicy. And this is 14 karat gold. Oh, this isn't inked. This one isn't inked up, but it's a really juicy pen. And this one is also a medium nib. Got them all in medium nibs, but this writes much juicier than the Volterra, I would say. This writes on the broad side. And of course, this has the special nib grind, so. All right, everybody, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to write more when I get home tonight. I'm glad I went with that color. I really love it. Thanks, everybody. I'll show some video of it in natural lighting. We'll maybe get a little bit more tomorrow. All right, thanks.